Let's make a salad. How about a beet salad? Of course, I'm going to use beets and some port wine and olive oil, white balsamic. I'm going to use a little bit of goat cheese and garlic and shallots, salt, pepper. Let's get started. Here's my 6 beets. I cleaned them, scrubbed them clean, and I apologize for the aluminum foil. It just really messes with the camera. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on them and mix them around. I'm going to bake these about 45 minutes at 400 degrees. And I'm wearing gloves because you can really get your hand and your fingers red. Beets will turn them red. I'll still need gloves later as well. So I'm just going to kind of crimp this up, seal this up, and in my 400 degree oven it goes. After you bake your beets, I like to take them and I put them in the refrigerator overnight. And then I want to peel them like I'm doing here. You can kind of go around it like an apple if you wish, but it also peels off if you're careful, kind of like that. And after you get it peeled, you want to go ahead and slice it about a 1/4 inch thick or somewhere around there, and add it to your bowl and get all this sliced up for your salad. Next, we're going to make the dressing for our beet salad. I have shallot here. Shallot is the perfect thing to go into this. And you know, if you see shallots in the store, you know, you can just, this is about 3 tablespoons. So this was like really 3 very small shallots, or 1.5. Even if it's a couple shallots, it's not going to cost you much, and it's well worth the price. And I'm going to need 1 garlic. So, and I want the garlic to be in really small pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. But you know, you never really get all the garlic done, you know, because you'll cut your fingers. So, like, I use 2 of them and get about a teaspoon of garlic is what you want. And we'll put that in our dressing. Don't want too much, you know, because the garlic's not getting cooked. That's good for the garlic. I'm going to add our port wine, 3 tablespoons. Our white balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons. You want to use a fairly good olive oil here. It's a 1/4 cup. And like about 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and shake this up, and this is our dressing. Take about 1/3 or 1/2 of your dressing and toss your beets into it, and reserve the rest of the dressing for later. You can put this in the refrigerator now, because you can make this into advance, you know. Here I have it plated up to pass. If it's a special occasion, I like to take the beet greens, put them on the bottom. You know, it makes it look a little more special. I like to add a little bit more salt on top. And you can pass this. It serves 4 to 6 people, depending on how much they like beets. And don't tell anybody. I think I'll take this small one. That's delicious. I do have extra dressing that you can either pour on top right now, or you can pass it. And everybody can have some extra dressing. Thank you so much for watching.